The goal of National Sunshine Week is to spark a discussion about the critical importance of access to public information. To participate in this year's event, I decided to host a Pennsylvania Right to Know Law quiz, which ran from March 1st through March 5th, 2018. It consisted of 6 questions. I will review only the 2 most difficult questions, those that received the lowest correct scores. This chart shows the distribution of scores. 55 people took the quiz. The average score was 55%. 62% of respondents scored below 50%. Only 2 people scored 100%. The answer to this question, how many business days does the township have to respond to a request for public records, is very important for citizens to know, but only 29% of respondents got the answer right, 5 business days. The clock starts once the township's open records officer receives the request. Once it's in the email inbox, or once it's on the desk, it is considered received. And we are talking about the township's business days, not the personal work schedule of the open records officer. The response can be mailed within 5 days, but it does not have to be received by the requester within 5 days. This question, are records maintained by a township supervisor or employee on their personal computer or cell phone, subject to the right to know law, was the most difficult question. Only 25% of respondents got the answer right. The correct answer is maybe, depending on whether the records document a transaction or activity of the township. According to Scott Coburn, General Counsel for the Pennsylvania State Association of Township Supervisors, an example might be where a supervisor is using his or her personal cell phone to text back and forth with another supervisor or township employee on a township issue, such as the proper focus of a committee. Those texts would be a public record documenting a transaction or activity of the township and would be subject to a right-to-know request. Thanks to everyone who took my quiz and for viewing this summary. I hope this was helpful. I know I learned a lot putting this together. Here's important information about requesting public records from Newtown Township. You can also join my Facebook group, Improve Communications for Better Government, by using the link displayed here.